Hey everyone, Antonio here. In today's video, I'll be sharing the 12 best jobs you can outsource to replace your US talent and save big on salary costs. In fact, when you partner with us at Paired Recruiting, we'll show you how you can save up to 90% on payroll costs. By tapping into the global talent pool, you can access specialized expertise, increase efficiency, and scale your operations like never before. And the best part, you don't have to navigate this process alone. At Paired Recruiting, we specialize in connecting businesses like yours with top-tier remote overseas talent that fits your unique needs and culture. So whether you're a startup looking to grow or an established company seeking to optimize your workforce, this video is for you. Let's jump right in and explore the 12 best jobs to outsource overseas. First on our list is virtual assistants. This highly sought-after role performs tasks like data entry, calendar management, bookkeeping, and website management. When you outsource these type of tasks to a virtual assistant or VA, you free up valuable time and resources so you can focus on core business functions. Overseas VAs are highly skilled, detail-oriented, and are great at adapting to your specific needs and processes. Plus, with the rise of remote collaboration tools, communication with the VA from anywhere in the world has never been easier. If you're looking to streamline your operations and boost productivity, consider outsourcing your virtual assistant's needs. Next up, we have graphic design. This is a field that's consistently in high demand since digital design needs increase every day. Here we're talking about creating eye-catching logos, designing engaging social media graphics, and outsourcing graphic design tasks that can help elevate your brand's visual identity. Overseas graphic designers bring a fresh perspective that allows you to tap into new creative ideas and approaches your local team may not have considered. Plus, by outsourcing your graphic design needs, you can access top-tier talent at a fraction of the cost of hiring an in-house designer. The next one is an exciting one. I'm talking about blockchain expertise. As blockchain technology continues to revolutionize so many industries, remote talent with blockchain expertise is in incredibly high demand. These individuals perform tasks like developing decentralized apps to creating smart contracts. If you're in the crypto space, these blockchain experts can help your business stay ahead of the curve. One added bonus of outsourcing your blockchain needs is you can access specialized skills and knowledge without the overhead of hiring a full-time employee. Overseas blockchain professionals often have experience working with international clients, and that allows them to bring a global perspective to your projects. Plus, with the fast-paced nature of the blockchain industry, outsourcing allows you to quickly adapt to changing needs and requirements. Moving on to content writing and editing. Content creation, writing, and editing are frequently outsourced tasks. This is especially common when it comes to aesthetic expertise and website creation. Here, we're also talking about things like crafting compelling blog posts, polishing and outsourcing your writing and editing needs. Doing so helps to ensure your content is engaging, error-free, and optimized for search engines, or being SEO ready. Overseas writers and editors often bring a diverse set of experiences and perspectives, which translates into your content resonating with a global audience. Plus, by outsourcing your writing and editing tasks, you can scale your content production without the need for a full-time in-house team. This means significant cost savings for your organization. The next job is web design. As you're probably aware, web designers play a crucial role in creating visually appealing and functional websites. These are important aspects that convert users into your customers. The goal with outsourcing your web design isn't just to save money, but also to ensure your site stands out in a crowded digital landscape. Your overseas web designer is an expert at doing this by designing intuitive navigation and optimizing your site for mobile devices. If you're looking to create a website that wows, you'll want to consider outsourcing your web design tasks. And it's this kind of talent that Paired Recruiting excels at for finding companies like yours. The next great job to outsource is the role of customer service representative. The key benefit of outsourcing customer service roles is that it allows businesses like yours to provide great customer support while saving significantly on costs. Your customers will receive the assistance they need. Everything from handling their inquiries to resolving their complaints. Overseas customer service reps can provide this expertise. Another consideration with outsourcing your customer service is that you can tap into a global talent pool with multiple language abilities and 24/7 coverage. Okay, Okay, moving right along to IT support. IT support roles provide technical assistance with tasks such as network administration with significantly reduced fixed costs. Other tasks include troubleshooting hardware issues and managing software updates. The overall goal here is to have overseas IT support representatives keep your systems up and running smoothly. Whether you need ongoing support or help with specific project outsourcing, your IT support roles helps you stay ahead of technical challenges at an affordable price point. The next job to examine is that of a network engineer. Outsourcing network engineers help manage a company's network infrastructure and functionality. These overseas engineers design and implement network solutions and troubleshoot issues to ensure your systems are secure and reliable. A key bonus of outsourcing your network engineering is that you can choose from a wide array of talent to access the specialized skills and knowledge you need. Plus, with the fast-paced nature of technology, outsourcing this role allows you to quickly adapt to changing needs and scale your initiatives. If you're looking to optimize your network infrastructure, we recommend that you consider outsourcing your networking engineering tasks. Okay, next up is that of copywriters. This is an incredibly popular job as of late. Why? This is due to the vast amount of content being created today. Copywriters are essential for creating targeted and well-written content for various social media platforms. When you need compelling ad copy or engaging email newsletters, an outsourced copywriter can help to ensure your messaging is on point. If you're looking to create content that converts, we at Paired Recruiting would love to help you find your ideal copywriter. Next up, we have software development. Outsourcing software development is common for companies like Google and Oracle, and it could be time you follow in their footsteps. When you need to build custom applications or maintain existing systems, overseas software developers can help bring your digital initiatives to life. And by outsourcing your software development needs, you can find the exact set of technical skills that you may not have internally. Of all the roles we've discussed so far, this might be the easiest choice for you to make for your first overseas hire. The next role to examine is that of sales professionals. Outsourcing sales professionals is a strategy employed by companies like American Express and AT&T. These remote workers are experts at handling inbound inquiries and conducting outbound campaigns. With overseas sales professionals, they can help you reach new customers and increase your revenue. Okay, last but not least is financial services support. In fact, 72% of organizations in the financial services sector are already outsourcing this role. In addition to traditional financial services, you can also count on remote workers that specialize in financial app development. For example, here we're talking about building custom financial applications or even maintaining existing systems. The key goal with this role is to ensure your financial services support teams can help your operations run smoothly. Well, there you have it. We just covered the 12 best jobs to outsource overseas that can replace your US talent and help you save big on costs. From virtual assistants to financial services support, there's a wealth of skilled professionals just waiting to help your business thrive. By tapping into the global talent pool, you can access specialized expertise, increase efficiency, and scale your operations like never before. At Paired Recruiting, we have a local team of experts that specialize in connecting businesses like yours with top-tier overseas talent that fits your unique needs and culture. And here I'm talking about whether this is your first time outsourcing or if you're a seasoned veteran and just want some additional expert guidance. Paired Recruiting is ready to support you. And the best part is that we offer a guarantee on finding your top quality talent. How so? We offer a 3-month satisfaction guarantee. This means if your new hire doesn't work out within those 90 days, we'll find you a replacement at zero cost to you. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, visit our website or reach out to our team today. Thanks for watching and happy outsourcing.